Nearly 900,000 homes in southern Canada were left without power on Saturday after a severe storm hit the provinces of Ontario and Quebec. 4 people were killed by falling trees and a woman died when a boat capsized in the Ottawa River. Wind gusts reached 82 miles per hour, 132 kilometers per hour, during the storm, according to Environment Canada. Power company Hydro One, which covers Ontario, said it would take several days to reconnect every home. Meanwhile, Hydro-Quebec said 550,000 homes there lost power, with nearly 400,000 still suffering outages as of 14 Greenwich Mean Time, 10 o'clock local time, on Sunday. The powerful thunderstorm, which lasted more than 2 hours, felled many trees, disrupted traffic, damaged homes and saw emergency services inundated with calls for help. Pictures on Canadian media show firefighters and utility workers trying to untangle down power lines and poles that are lying over cars on a road in Ottawa. The town of Usbridge, about an hour north of Toronto, has declared a state of emergency after the storm left significant damage in its wake, a statement said.